I'm going to go ahead and take some time, see if I can figure out a solution for the old speaker that's had better days, as I showed earlier. Let me turn this thing around here and take a look at it. You can see my temporary solution here was to set it on another cone. So definitely not a good performer. So you guys dropped me a comment on the loudspeaker. It looks to be a piezo, and some may pronounce it piezo or other pronunciations, but check out the design. LX2126021. I did some quick research. I didn't get a match. Let me know your thoughts on this. In addition, you'll see a plus and a P on the back of the terminals for the connection back to the transformer that appears to be built in this cavity. I would also like your opinion on the importance of the connectivity back to the receiver for the plus and the P. You can see the mechanism here coming through. Couple other shots here, and you can see the cone is completely degraded and separated from that centerpiece, which is good. There's a better view. So drop me a note in the comment section on your thoughts. Thanks for watching.